It's a fantastic, superior day. We drove a long distance and we forgot our pattern to make our gutter corners. This is another one for the wide bottom gutter. So unfortunately, we don't even have a chop saw. So now what do? We're 5 hours away from home. We're in high elevation. It's cold. We got to get this job done. If you look over there, there's corners. And we don't have a pattern. So what we're going to do is very important. So listen careful. We're going to make one. And we'll show you how. Let's get going. First, I'm going to run a piece of gutter. You want to make the pattern from a gutter for each pattern from the specific machine, because KWM has modified their profile to be stronger, so it might vary slightly. So I just made a piece of gutter here. I'm gonna grab my trusted triangle angle and hopefully it's straight. First thing I'm gonna do, I don't know if you can zoom in right here or whatever. We're gonna draw, we need 5 inches. So here we go. We're gonna draw 5 inches right there. That's our center line. We're also gonna expand it this way 5 inches. Right there. Now these lines here, this is better lighting right there.
Oh yeah.
These are always straight here. We already have a straight edge here from the knife. What I like to do is transfer these lines all the way down and to the back. Most of the videos online, the guys are making patterns for interior of the gutter. I make mine for the exterior. My daddy taught me that, so. All right, now that we have our 5 inch here, I'll actually write it for you so you don't forget. 5. I'm gonna transfer the line to the back. This might take 5 minutes, so very important. I'm gonna transfer that line. I wanna have as many measuring points as possible. So I'm gonna keep marking it. And let's see if it lines up. So it slightly did not line up right there, which is probably a human error, but it'll be okay. It's close enough. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go from this back line. We're gonna make a 90 or a 45. Is that a 45 or 90?
That's a 45.
Okay, 45. Flip your trusted triangle. Make another 45. Right there. So far it's looking fantastic, fabulous. Now over here, we're gonna bring this line up to here, like so. And same thing here. We're gonna bring that line up, like so. Now we can connect the dots, kind of eyeball it, like so. I guess it's not very scientific, but I suppose you can use a straight edge, right? But the straight edge always kind of gave me the wrong measure. So I usually just kind of connect the 2 dots. We can modify them later. I'll show you. Let me cut this out. I'm gonna use some snips. I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna save that piece. I'm gonna cut on the outside of the line. And on the outside of the line, I like to save my point, this little guy right here, because I use it to mark the gutter. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna continue cutting. Get rid of extra material. Cut across here. Start opening this up a little bit. Kind of bend that away. So our goal is just to get rid of this extra material for now. And then we'll do the fine tuning here. I like to cut a little bit bigger because we can always modify it later. This is kind of the annoying part. You can grab your trusted lefties here. Kind of do the fine tune here. Fine tune. So now we have a beautiful pattern. Next thing I'm gonna do is grab my trusted benders and just fold this out. I know guys usually cut this off to put it inside the gutter. I go on the outside of the gutter, and that's how I was taught. I'm gonna cut this corner here. Cut that corner there. So now we have a beautiful, I'm gonna cut this out here. Sometimes I like to know the center. That's my center. So here's what I wanted to show you real quick. If I set this down like so, I can see I'm a little long right there. This has to be kind of flat. Same. Ooh, that one's really close. Little gap right there. And so there you have it. You have a little pattern that you can continue to modify until it lines up really well. Look at that, just a little bit more. Let me tune it up a little bit. Micro adjustment. I'm gonna call that good. And so, folks, now we can finish our job, and it's gonna be amazing.